How to share location on WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share your location on WhatsApp with someone. First of all, go and open your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do, tap on this person that I want to share my location with him. So after you open up the person chat, all you have to do, tap on this arrow beside the camera. Tap on this location. So after you tap on this location, as you can see now, it just searching my current location. So all you have to do is tap on this arrow, this little icon, tap on it. So as you can see now, as I tap on this arrow now, it now give me my current location. As you can see now, here is my current location now. So all you have to do now, just tap on this share live location. So as you can see now, here it says share live location. So just choose the time that you want to share your location with. It's 15 minutes, 1 hour and 80 minutes, 8 hours. So tap it. So type in a comment, just say something like, here is my location. So tap on this send. So as you can see now, I send my location to this person. For just 8 hours, my location will be available to him. So now if the person just tap on this link, so it will give him my current location. That's it guys on how to share your location on WhatsApp. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comments. Thank you for watching.